everyone, this is Iram Tasneem for Altenew. Welcome to Creative Coloring with Iram. I am kicking off the Altenew Educators Untitled Stencils blog hop and linky party at the Altenew blog today. Hop on over to the Altenew blog, link is in the description. Leave a comment on the blog post and also link your stenciled creations for a chance to win some prizes plus tons of inspiration from the educators. For my project today, I am using the Mighty Corners stencil, and you must be wondering, you've never seen this, right? Because this has not been released yet. We'll be releasing this later this week, so we have a stencil release coming up. What I'm going to do is I'll secure the stencil to my watercolor cardstock. This is A2 watercolor cardstock from the loose sheets, and I am going to use jet black artist marker and the bullet tip to trace the pattern onto the watercolor cardstock. The reason I'm using the alcohol marker is because I want a permanent black ink on the background. I will be watercoloring over this, and alcohol marker obviously is permanent and will not spread. I am being very careful when I'm tracing out the pattern because the stencil is intricate. The chevron pattern does move if you put a little bit pressure on it. You can use a repositionable adhesive spray. I didn't have one. What I'm going to do now is I will take the brush tip of this marker and fill in the chevron, the Mighty Corners stencil pattern, that is. For the watercoloring, I'm going to apply water in a triangular fashion. This is going to be broader on the left side, and it's going to converge when it reaches the right side. I will start applying pigment starting from purple, and I will be using a very concentrated pigment because I want a very bright, vibrant rainbow watercolor pattern. I want it to really pop up against the black design. So the colors I will be adding are purple, pink, orange, yellow, green, teal and blue. And when I added green, you can see the green and yellow, they look very similar, so I added a different kind of green to this. After I'm done, I will add splatters of the same colors, all the colors that I used, onto the panel. What this does is it gives a very artistic look to the pattern. Now you can see that I am going back in again and adding darker pigment onto the purple and pink because I did not realize that it wasn't as dark as the other colors. I have die cut thank you die twice, once in silver foil and once in the watercolor cardstock. I will use the silver foil one as an offset and adhere these two together. Next bit is that I will die cut a butterfly in vellum from the Mix and Match Mariposa Die Set. This I changed a little bit. Here you can see I have two butterflies, but later on I shifted the thank you a bit lower and I used two layers of one butterfly. The base layer is in silver cardstock and the first layer, the topmost layer, is in vellum. I hope you enjoyed the video. That is all from my side today. Please do check the Altenew blog. Bye!
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!